morning everybody. Today we are learning to write the letter S. Now this video we are learning to write S in print form, which just means that we're not going to be joining it up. If you do join up writing, head over to my cursive playlist and there is a cursive S there. Right, here we go, let's get started. If you see my videos, you know what we're doing. If you haven't, just follow along. So first of all, we trace it. So with print, we start at the top. Then you're going to copy it. It can be a bit tricky to write this, so make sure you copy it as many times as you need to, or trace it as many times as you need to. Get your grown-up to write it for you and you go over it. And then what will eventually happen is your hand and your brain will start to feel the shape of that letter and it'll just get easier. Then we're going to cover it up. We're going to have a go at writing it from memory. So remember, it's a really curvy letter is the S, a little bit like a snake. Finally, pop your pen in a start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. How did you do with that? Are you doing all right? Brilliant. Keep practicing that as much as you need to until it starts to look like an S and until you've got it facing the right way around. Then, when you're ready to move on, we're going to practice writing it on some lines. So the S is a middle zone letter. It means that it sits halfway between the bottom line and the top line. And as always, I've got my middle zone shaded. So here we go. We start at the top of that middle zone. And we work our way down to the bottom. So it's curvy one is the S. So we start off and we go round, and then across again, and then back round. It's that bottom one. And again, it might take you quite a few practices to start getting this to look like an S, and that is okay. That's what it's all about. When I'm writing, sometimes my letters don't look anything like they're supposed to. And I'm a grown-up. I've had lots of practice. So don't worry about it. Just keep practicing. And eventually it will get easier. When that's starting to feel a bit easier, the next thing you can do, if you want to, as a bit of an extra challenge, is to say the letter sound and the letter name when you're writing it. So S is S, S is S, S is S, S is S. Keep going. What you might find, if your grown-up isn't in the room with you at the moment, they might come through and say, "Why are you making a sound like a snake?" Or they might even think there's a snake in the room with you. Who knows? Right, well done. Now it's time to be the teacher. Let's have a look. You look through yours, see which one you think looks the best and give it a tick. I am going to go for, it's a bit of a tough choice, but I am going to go for this one. Which did you think is the best? Have you ticked it? Brilliant, well done. So don't forget, this is something that you need to practice. S can be quite a tricky letter to write. So keep practicing, and the more you practice, the easier it will get. That's it for today's lesson, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again next week. Take care. Bye.